Right, so what we about to do, we're gonna smoke a turkey on a Weber kettle grill. Okay, so I've already injected the turkey last night with the Tony characters injection. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take some of Tony characters Creole seasoning and I'm gonna put some of that on there. Just give me a nice little outside and make a little rub for it. Sprinkle it on there. Nice. Put it over there. Just make sure you get it down all in there. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go get the grill ready and I'll be right back. Right. What's going on? This your boy Leon Lovelace. I'm about to smoke a turkey using the WEBBER kettle grill. So the first thing that I did last night, I injected the turkey with the Tony characters injectors, the herbs and butter. Made sure I got it right up in there. And today, I'm gonna put a little more base on there, but put some seasoning with this. So I just sprinkle a little bit of this up there. So right now, that's that. Ready to go. I'm about to get the grill ready, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, I put a pan in one side of it. This gonna be my cool side, and I got my coals on the other side. Me personally, I like to use the match light. That's what I like to use, match light, cause it light quick. Got some hickory wood chunks. Okay, so what I'm about to do is put some apple juice in there, because I like to put apple juice in mine. I use apple juice and applesauce for my base. So we about to do that and I'll be right back. Now it's time to light my fire. Now when I light my fire, preferably I like to use a light bill. An old bill they used to have to pay. Set that thing on fire. Paid for. There we go. So we're finally starting to get this thing rolling. It's a lot of wind out here. I didn't know that. So we're gonna wait to make sure this fire gets spread out pretty even. And I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, I stuffed my turkey with apples and onions, red apples, and green apples. Well, yellow apples. Red, green, I don't know. And I got some smoke. We got the wood in there. You see how I got the pan where it's cool at, right there on that. And I got the wood on the other side so that smoke can get to it. I can see right now it's a lot of fire over there. So I'm gonna put this top on here so we can come back, and we'll come back and see how that turn out. Seeing what's going on, she's looking good. Now you can see it's a little more on one side, brown on the other side. So we're gonna flip that. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna add some more coals to this so we can get this thing, get some wood going on. Back again. So y'all see that? See them apples and stuff in there looking good, huh? Alright, well let me get some more in here. Put some more in this fire. I'll be back in a little bit. We'll mix up some more of this here. Glaze. Put some little sauce on that thing here. Applesauce, apple juice. That's all. Keep it nice and moist. You gotta keep your bird nice and moist on there. You don't want no dry bird. And she already been injected. So you know, that's just how we do it. In there. Get some wood in there. Can you hear it? Yes, sir. See that turkey? She wants to be cooked. She ain't just sitting there for no reason. She wants to be cooked. So we're gonna let that wood get in there. See if we can put the wood in there. Bow. You see that there? When you got that in there, that's when you know it's on the money. Business on my cell phone, they call Yes, sir. That's fire there. Fire. Back my camera up once again. So we out here now doing the turkey. Y'all know how we do it. Now you know that's how we do it. Backyard turkey, smoking the turkey on the Weber kettle grill. That's how we do it, man. It's your boy Lovelace. We cook too, you know. You know we don't just eat, we got to cook too. Okay, as you can see, we checking out the bird one more time. Had to put some more wood in there. Keep that smoke rolling. You know, get that good smoke taste. As you can see them onions in there cooking in there. Get in there good. Let me get back now. Alright, see you later. Alright, so as you can see, she's smoking. And we're gonna let it ride. Take a break. And here work with some macaroni and cheese. I'll let do that. Alright, peace. Alright, so let's get a look, see what we're working with. Yeah. Ooh, she looking good. We still in here. The cold's getting a little. It's still warm, but I'm gonna throw a little more in here with it. Keep it going. All right, so now I'm about to see what's this temperature on this thing, on this bird, because I wanted to get it about 160. Right now she about 120. Almost about 125. Right there. So I'm gonna add some more wood chips to this. As you can see, keep this thing going here. See, I got a little applesauce and a little apple juice on the top of that thing. Give it a unique flavor. More wood chips. You know, just to get the smoke thing going on. Once you get the wood chips flowing, everything. All right. So what we're going, let's see what we got here. Ooh. That's right in that breast meat. You're gonna see that thing roll. See right there, 160. See right.
Looks so good.
Right at 160, just like we like. A little windy out here. So we're gonna get that bird off there for you. And we'll be back in a little bit when we get ready to cut her. Alright, we here with the final finished product. We got the smoked turkey. So I'm about to cut it and see how it turned out. Yeah. Look at that meat. Ooh, look at that tender meat. Get a little piece of that there. But if you want some chill shit, I might pass you my grain. Hell yeah, I smoke a lot every day. I get hot and I'm never coming down cause I'm too fucking flat. Hell yeah, I smoke. There you have it. Smoked turkey on the Webber. Hell yeah, I smoke a lot, smoke a lot, smoke a lot. Hell yeah, I smoke a lot, smoke a lot, smoke a lot. Hell yeah, I smoke a lot. Every day I get hot and I'm never coming down cause I'm too fucking fly.
DJ Louis Lou and Guap Nation. We ain't bullshitting, you stupid motherfuckers.